Say that.
No kidding. After the complete part of this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we had temperatures in the morning in the single digits to the low teens. Factor in the breeze the last few mornings, and some of us have felt below zero at times this morning, waking up around 50 degrees in many locations. Such a mild morning outside across southern New England. A huge jump up from where we were yesterday at this time, running anywhere from about 35 to 45 degrees warmer right now compared to just 24 hours ago. We do have that breeze. It's starting to come in from the southwest, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And this is what's going to continue to pump in some very warm temperatures for us here in southern New England. There's already a few gusts outside this morning, only around 20 miles per hour. But what you're going to notice today is that breeze continuing to pick up as the day goes on. And eventually overnight, we have gusts coming in the 50 to 55 to 60 mile per hour range, perhaps even some gusts over 60 miles per hour at times as we head through the night and into very early tomorrow morning. This can certainly cause some power outages, bring down some branches, and that's what we'll be watching for overnight into early tomorrow morning as a cold front comes through. There's been a high wind warning issued for the area for that time frame. What you're looking at on the satellite radar image is partly clear conditions this morning. You'll see kind of a blend of sun and clouds through the morning. Into the later part of the day, the breeze will continue to pick up. You'll continue to see those very mild temperatures in place, but we should stay dry for the day today and into the evening hours. From there, we'll be tracking this rain that you can see off to our west, basically a cold front passing to the north of us, but another cold front that we'll be watching as we head through the night and into early tomorrow morning. Here's what we're looking at hour by hour. Partly sunny conditions this morning, increasing clouds, increasing wind through the afternoon and evening hours. It'll be late tonight that we start to see showers moving into the area, and overnight have this stopped here at about 3 a.m. Some very heavy rain in the forecast, and we are going to continue to see very heavy rain into tomorrow morning. You're looking at 7 o'clock here. There may even be some rumbles of thunder mixing in, and again, it's overnight that we have our gustiest of winds in the forecast as well. So we are looking at a wet and windy night ahead of us here in southern New England. From there, the cold front comes through and we should dry out and clear out pretty quickly. But behind that cold front, the winds will shift and we end up with a breeze starting to come in from the northwest tomorrow. It's a breezy day. Our warmest temp tomorrow happens ahead of the front, so that means it happens in the morning. And then from there, the temperatures will be dropping as the day goes on. We'll see some sunshine into the start of the day on Saturday. A little low pressure system passes to our north on Saturday. You can see some light snow to our north, some trailing flurries on the bottom edge of that system that we may watch for later in the day Saturday. But that's all it is, just a little flurry activity. What we're looking at today, temperature-wise, is continuing to see those temperatures climb. You can see very clearly overnight where that cold front is, the warm temperatures ahead of the front and the cold temperatures behind that front. And what happens is as that front gets closer, we're still very warm tomorrow morning, hovering around 60 degrees. But as soon as the cold front comes through, the temperatures start to drop. This particular model has us down into the 30s already by about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Upper 50s today. It's a mostly cloudy, windy day. It's much, much warmer than where we've been the last few days. And what we're looking at tonight is temperatures staying well into the 50s with heavy rain and gusty winds, again 50 to 60 miles per hour for most of us. Now tomorrow, technically the high is in the 50s. That happens in the early morning hours. From there, temperatures drop as we start to clear out. It's still a breezy day, but that wind tomorrow afternoon comes in out of the northwest. Into Saturday, partly sunny. Again, a few evening flurries possible down to the teens by Sunday morning. Sunday looks sunny and chilly, but we're back into the 50s for the first part of next week. Doreen?
Thank you.